Charging all of my Apple devices on the go can sometimes be a chore, but this foldable 3-in-1 25-watt magnetic charger from ESR is going to make that a lot easier moving forward. And it has a special trick up its sleeve: active cooling. And this combo is what landed it on Time's Best Innovations of 2025. And thanks to ESR for sponsoring 9to5Mac on YouTube. Let's check it out. First off, let's take a look at the design. It's meant to be portable, to go in your backpack, luggage, or heck, even cargo pants, thanks to its slim, folding design. It's not much thicker than a MacBook Pro. It comes in white and this black colorway that matches my M4 MacBook Pro very well. Here you can see that it fits right in with my MacBook Pro, the charger, and my iPhone 16 Pro. It looks great here at my desk, and I often use it in landscape mode while I'm working, but it's one of the first things I grab to throw in my bag when I have an upcoming trip. Beyond its sleek design though, there are two features that really make the ESR magnetic folding 3-in-1 charger stand out. First off is that Qi 2 25-watt charging speed. That 25 watt will take an iPhone 17 and iPhone 17 Pro to 60% in just 30 minutes, and is also 20% faster than an official 25-watt MagSafe charger. And the second thing is that small fan on here for active cooling. I know I've been surprised by how warm my phone is after picking it up from wireless charging, and this helps to cut down on that heat. With the fan, it will drop temperatures by 6.5 degrees Fahrenheit, and this helps to protect your phone and battery during that powerful wireless charging. And don't worry, the fan is super quiet. Here, I've got it powered on. I'm gonna plug it in, and we can make sure that the fan is going, which it is, but you really can't even hear it. I have to put my ear right next to it to even hear that it's going. It is very quiet, but just in case you are very sensitive to any noise, there is a button right here by the charging port or the power port that if you press that, it will deactivate the fan and turn it off, so you don't have to worry about any sound at all. But this is a 3-in-1 charger, so let's also talk about AirPods and the Apple Watch. Tucked right behind the stand for an iPhone is a little pad for the AirPods. Just plop it on there, and it will start charging. And then behind that is a little flip-up place to put your Apple Watch. This ESR magnetic charger is certified with Made for Apple Watch, so everything here works flawlessly. So the ESR 3-in-1 magnetic charger is going to be an integral part of my setup, both at my desk, and it's going to be the first thing I take and pack in my bag when I'm taking a trip, but they also have some different options available if this design isn't exactly what you're looking for. In the same 25-watt Cryo Boost lineup, they also have a charging stand, and this is meant more for a neat desk setup. It's not foldable, not meant to be as portable as this folding one, but is a nice looking design if you just want to have it sitting at your desk. Additionally, they also carry a vent mount magnetic car charger. So whether you're sitting at your desk most, or you're traveling often, or you need a lot of charging in your car, you can get this 25-watt wireless active cooling charger in 3 different variations. Personally, this one fits my needs the most because I can use it here at my desk where I am most of the time, but it's easy to pack along and take with me when I am on a trip. And if you're interested in picking any of these up, we will have some links down below in the description. And thanks again to ESR for sponsoring 9to5Mac on YouTube.